Two windmills are standing on a wind farm. One said to the other, "What's your favourite kind of music?" And the other one said, "I'm a big metal fan." Give it a minute. Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm knackered, and that's because I've just been running and lockdown has really messed with my fitness levels, so I feel like I've run twice as far as I actually have. I'm really hot. Just, yeah, so unfit. But this isn't about that. This is about The Pineapple Thief. This is a song called Versions of the Truth, and it's the title track from this album. We've got this new album out next week, 4th of September. If you like, we're in prog rock territory here, and if you are a fan of, say, Porcupine Tree, you're probably going to like The Pineapple Thief. And I found out, I didn't realise, because I'm certainly not an expert on The Pineapple Thief. It's one of those bands that's been around for a long time, and they just kind of passed me by. I kind of missed them. I mean, I haven't missed out on them. I can always go back and listen to it all, but yeah, I'm certainly no expert on The Pineapple Thief. But I found out Gavin Harrison is the drummer for The Pineapple Thief, and Gavin Harrison was the drummer for Porcupine Tree. I mean, he's done lots of stuff, and it's all excellent. He's done lots of stuff he's done other stuff with Stephen Wilson. He did a lot of the OSI albums after Mike Portnoy stopped doing it. Mike Portnoy did the first OSI album, I think. And Gavin Harrison's just this superb drummer. I've got a feeling this is going to be very laid back. Alan Hewling, if you're out there, you'll probably like this. I think it's going to be laid back, but very high quality. That's my guess. So let's get on with it. Like I say, there's not a lot I can say about The Pineapple Thief, and I'm sure they've got lots of fervent fans out there that are all just going, "Oh, he doesn't know what he's talking about." Well, I know about music, I just don't know about your favourite band. I'm just anticipating the comments there. You do this enough, you start to anticipate the comments you're going to get. Did you know that? And I've got a weird thing on my screen. That's better.
You caught me in the black light. There was no way out for us. I thought it'd be a matter of time, but you lost your head. I followed you, but you were out of sight. I did everything I could to get you back into my light. It's not how I remember it. Sold me out before I had time to fight. No, it's not how I remember it. You caught me. Not me. If you follow me, then I'll be out of sight. If you follow me, then I'll be out of sight. I'll never be the one who comes and crawls back in your life. frequency, a frequency just for me. Just scattered voices, not one that I can say is close enough for me to make it out. No words that I can care about. This is a world of silence. This is a world where you are safe. Yeah, I am lost in this frequency. It's a frequency just for me. I hear no voices, not the ones that I betrayed. Caught me in the black light. There was one way out for you. I knocked you out. Is that how you remember it?
There's not enough marimbas in rock songs. that was cool. And Gavin Harrison's drumming was superb. And I'm taking this in the bath in a minute. I've messed it all up. That's just quality stuff, isn't it? I love stuff like this. I love it because it's clever music. I know that sounds a bit elitist, but I like it because, sorry, clever's wrong. I like it because it's intelligent music. You know, you can tell that the people who made this knew what they were about, you know, and they should do, because this is not a bunch of kids that have just literally, you know, decided to get a band together. They've been around for a while. You know, you gotta know what you're doing to get Gavin Harrison to play with you for a start. I just really like it. It's calm, but it's quality. And if you listen to it, which admittedly I've only sort of listened to it because you're watching a video and you kind of watch it once, but if you listen to it, you can hear the subtle quality of it, the technique. And I was trying to count right at the beginning. I was trying to figure out what the timing was, and I couldn't. You know, but it's so subtle that you don't. It's not like a jarring sort of prog metal band where it's all over the place and you think, oh, that timing's all over the place. But this is in like, I was literally like, is he playing? How's he? Wait a minute. You know, so 1 and 1 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So we'll get there. So yeah, I really like this stuff. I know I've got quite a death metal audience on this channel, but I love stuff like this. I love intelligent music. I like to think that I like anything that's good quality, and I realise it's a very subjective measure. But stuff like this just exudes quality to me, and I could listen to that all day. And I suspect I could listen to this all day. I'm definitely going to have to buy this. The Pineapple Thief, and I think they've got a pretty good back catalogue to be going at. In fact, I'm sure we'll be getting Pineapple Thief fans popping on here and having a look. Whether they listen to me rabbiting on this far, I don't know, but Yeah, I'm open to recommendations, folks, of where in their back catalogue where do you start? You know, let me know. Let me know what you think. See you next time. Bye.